Today I'm going to show you the proper way of installing a F250 with camera mount with LED lights on your F250s, F350s. One thing you have to be important about is watching out whenever you unplug the camera and the LED. The LED can be a little cantankerous, so you've got to be careful, but I'll show you the proper way of doing that. The first thing you want to do is remove the 4 holding screws on your lights. Some people use Torx, I use a socket. When you remove the light, you'll notice there's a pigtail. You notice you can take it off here and there. This is very difficult to do for the first time, so if you would, just pull this back. And if you look inside there, there's a connector right there. Just unplug the connectors. Okay, now, and this is what you'll have right there. Very simple. Just lay that up there. Get your F150 plate. Lay it up on your cab. Take out your toggle bolts. You can remove these at any time. Your toggle bolts are a little bit reinforcing the bolts that you already have there. So line up your hose, close to where it would normally mount to. Let's just get our toggle bolt started on here. It takes a little work, but you can get it. Line up your hose back you could again. Well, your toggle bolts are going to go crossways. They're not going to go all the way down, they're going to go crossways. Got it locked up on the toggle. There we go. Snug them down. This side, make sure your hose are lined up. See how it's kind of crossways right there? Make sure it's up against the cab. Snug them up. You grab your tail lights and then reach up inside there and pop them back together and push it back in your cab. And your light. Get it right back on there. Use the same hose. My suggestion is don't tighten one down all the way until you get all of them at least started. Snug them down with the factory settings. You'll see it giving and everything, so don't over tighten it. You don't want to break your lens, but you do want to tighten it so you feel comfortable. If you notice, it's sealed all around it. It's very tight. There's no give and all. They come with a steel plate on top for your go lights and all your magnetic applications.